So, this thing is the Royal Kludge 61, and I think that is the best keyboard of 2024, and it's one of the cheapest and most famous keyboards that you can find on Amazon at just $50. And to be honest, it has all the essentials that 99% of people need. 60% size, wireless, good variety and quality of switches, good stabilizers, and hot swappable. And if you want it, you can fully customize this keyboard without any problem. I mean, this is a steal for someone who wants to start in this world of the mechanical keyboards. So in this video we are gonna talk about all you need to know about this keyboard. Hi, I am Adrian, and on this channel I publish videos about self-development, finances and tech videos, just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Next up we have the build quality. This keyboard is basically all plastic, I am not gonna lie, but it's very common for this price range. Although it's plastic, it looks very minimal and clean, and so lightweight, especially with a 60% format, that for some people can be annoying not having all the keys they use, but for me, I only like having the essentials. On the top we have the USB-C port to plug it on, and on the back we have these things that prevent the keyboard from moving. In terms of battery life, this keyboard can last about 10 hours with a backlight on and up to 360 standby time. These are one of the things I don't like about this keyboard, because at times I use it on less than a week, the keyboard runs out of battery and I end using it wired. To talk about the typing experience on this keyboard, we have to talk about the switches. This first time I decided to go with the brown switches, just because I heard that the red switches were for gaming only, and the blue switches were for writing, but they are very loud, I have to say, and the brown switches are like a mix of the two. But in this keyboard, like I said, you can choose between red switches and blue switches. As a beginner of mechanical keyboards, I really like the experience, comparing it with the membrane keyboards I've been using my whole life. So let's do a sound test right now. Let's compare now the Royal Kludge 61 with a Macbook keyboard. The mechanical keyboard is more tilted, both the construction and the keys. You can fully customize it, disassemble it, and has a pleasant sound. On the other side, the Macbook keyboard is more linear, and the keycaps are very low profile. You can customize it at all, but you at least have backlight. Here's a comparison of the sound test. The connectivity with this keyboard can be via wireless, by Bluetooth or by the USB-C receiver, or wired with the USB-C. My advice, if you are gonna use this keyboard for gaming, you have to use it wired, because wireless can fail sometimes. It happened to me that I am writing a script for a YouTube video and suddenly the keyboard stops responding. More with the USB-C receiver than with the Bluetooth, but it still happens. Make sure to use it near the PC or your Mac that you are using. In conclusion, I think that this keyboard is amazing. It can have its downsides, like the connectivity or the battery life, but I think that it covers all the basics, like writing or gaming. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.